Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Shopify coming soon page. Now there are two different ways how you can do this. One is a paid way, second one is a completely free way. Now let's get started. So as you can see, you can do this with an app store. So just go to the app store, type in Tapita coming soon pre-launch. And as you can see, this is actually an app within Shopify that you can add to your Shopify store. And as you can see, you can easily build coming soon and pre-launch pages. This is actually how it's looking like. As you can see, our website is under construction, right? And it's looking really sweet, really awesome, really simple. So if you want something that's very simple, very easy to use, and that you can change the text, that you can customize, add your own, AI generated content as well, which is crazy. And it's completely free, right? You can add this to your store, right? This is the first app on this list. Now, the second app is called Shopify. This is easy coming soon page. It has more customizations, but it also has a 5-day free trial. After that, you will need to go and you will pay $2 a month, which is pretty much nothing, right? And as you can see, this is how it's looking like. Again, you can build some really awesome branded coming soon pages for your business. As you can see, it also offers email marketing solutions for Klaviyo, GetResponse, MailChimp, stuff like that. And you also have theme features as well, which is really awesome, right? So if you want to check out these two, definitely check them out. Again, Shopify and Tapita, great for setting up your Shopify coming soon page. Now, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.